Kaya kailangan talaga natin si Jesus Christ. Walang taong hindi nangangailangan sa Panginoong Hesukristo. Point number 3. Humans need Christ to become a new creation. Kaya po napakahalaga nung 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17. Ano pong sinasabi roon? Sabi po rito, therefore, if anyone is in Christ, si Christ po yung pangalawang Adan. Kapag ikaw ay na kay Kristo, ikaw na ay bagong nilalang. You're a new creation. Hindi ka nagaling kay Adan na likas na makasalanan. Kay Kristo, you are a new creation. You are forgiven. You are loved. You are changed. You are transformed. You have been justified. Ikaw ay pinawalang sala. At ikaw ay tinuring na anak. At ikaw ay bago ng nilalang. Sabi dito, therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone, the new is here. Yung luma mong pagkatao na minana mo pa kay Adan, wala na yun. Lumipas na yun. Ikaw ay bago na sapagkat ikaw ay na kay Kristo na. Kumbaga, kung minana natin yung kasalanan ni Adan, kung tayo na kay Kristo na, minana naman natin yung kabanalan ni Kristo.